A market report dropped 2 days ago showing the machine control industry is on track to nearly double by 2030. Wissen Research puts the global market at $8.7 billion by then, growing at 8.4% annually. That is not a future story. That adoption curve is happening right now. And it raises one question nobody is asking out loud. If that many machines have grade control on them, why are so many crews still chasing grade at the end of the day? Here is what I see across jobs. The machine has a system installed. Sometimes it was installed months ago. The operator fires it up, puts it in indicate mode, and starts pushing dirt because nobody walked through a real verification before first cut. Install is not calibration. Calibration is not verification. Those are three separate steps, and most outfits collapse them into one. When they do, the machine is indicating something, but nobody can tell you whether what it is indicating is right. The Grade Metrics Installation Guide, Hemisphere's own documentation, has a step at the end of the entire setup sequence called Verify Machine Accuracy. It is the last thing you do before the machine goes to work. On a dozer, that means setting the blade on a known control point and comparing what the iron to display reports to the published coordinates. If they do not match inside your project's tolerances, you do not grade. Full stop. That step gets skipped more than it gets done. The other friction point I see on mixed fleets is integration. Crews running multiple brands of iron end up with OEM lock systems that do not talk across machines. That is a documented gap in this market, and it is exactly why machine agnostic aftermarket kits exist. No OEM lock-in, fits the iron you already own, open architecture. The market is growing. The gap between installed and verified is where jobs lose money. What does your crew do for daily verification? Drop it in the comments. I read each one. Subscribe for more like this.